Hello YouTube. Today we'll be doing another groove in makosa, in Nigerian makosa. This is I call it the Michael Jackson Billie Jean groove. You can apply it in a makosa beat. So I've already created my beat. Then I'm using jazz guitar voice. Then my dual voice is a jazz brass. So I'll be doing it in the key of C sharp. C sharp. I'll play it, then I'll show you how it goes. So this is my beat. So it goes like this. Alright. 2, 3, 4. So you get that? Alright. So what I'm actually doing there is very simple. First of all, you play the chord with the notes. Remember, I split my keyboard. This is my bass. So it goes fa, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, la, sol. Then the left hand changes to the groove itself. It goes like this. So what the left hand is doing is la, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, mi. So the 6, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 3, just like that. Right hand will continue. So fa, sol, la, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, 4, 6, 1. Normal fa 4 chord. This is an inverted A flat major chord. So then when you add everything together, you have something like this. So that's how you end it. To break, then maybe the singer will give you another song. So la, ti, do, just like that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, drop your comments, and more grooves will be coming your way.